Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to solve the electronics shop problem on HackerRank. So here is the problem statement. A person wants to determine the most expensive computer keyboard and USB drive, which can be purchased within the given budget. So we have been given the price of different keyboards and USB drives and also the budget amount. Look at the example given here. Here B is 60, which is the budget amount. Then we have different prices for keyboards and the price list for different USB drives. Looking at the different values given here, we can see if a person buys a 40 rupees keyboard and a 12 rupees USB drives, this makes a total of 52, which is less than the budget amount. But there is another possibility that a person goes for a 50 rupees keyboard and an 8 rupees USB drive, which will give the value 58. Comparing 52 and 58, the person will go for 58, which is the expensive combination and also less than the budget amount. So here we have to complete the function definition for get money spent function. The function here accepts three parameters. The first one is the list of prices for keyboards. The next is the price list for USB drives, and the third one is the budget. The function returns a -1 value in case if the person is unable to buy both the items under the budget amount. The input format is, in the first line we are passing three integers. The first is the budget amount, which is 10 here. The next is the number of keyboards and the last is the number of USB drives. The second line gives us the values for prices of keyboards and the third line contains prices for USB drives. Here sample output you can see is 9, which is one integer value and also the most expensive value after calculating the price of keyboard and USB drive. So let's write the code for get money spent function in the editor window. This variable max value is going to hold the maximum value after adding the prices of keyboards and drives. Let's see which combination will be the most expensive one. Now I'm going to traverse through the keyboards loop. For each price in keyboards, we will be adding it with the drives prices one by one and we'll find out which becomes the most expensive value. Now, if value of K and value of D, that means price of keyboard with the price of one drive is added and is less than equal to the budget amount, and also this value is greater than the max value, then we will be assigning the sum of K and D to the variable max value. This condition will help us to find out the most expensive prices for keyboards and USB drive. So if both of the conditions are false, then the max value variable will continue to have value -1 and we are going to return it. Let's run the code. So here you can see the code has passed the sample test cases. Let's submit it. And the code has passed all the test cases. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep working with smile.